Ever notice how billionaires buy $100,000 cars, but only actually pay $63,000? Wait, how is that possible? The other $37,000? The government pays it. Wait, what? Yeah, it's called a tax write-off, and luxury cars are one of the easiest ways to get it. How does that even work? Simple. Let's say you own a business and made $500,000 this year. Without deductions, you're paying about $185,000 in taxes. But if you buy a business vehicle, you can write off the entire cost. The entire thing? Yep, there's a tax code called Section 179. It lets you deduct the full purchase price of a vehicle in year one. But there's a catch. What catch? The vehicle has to weigh over 6,000 pounds. Why 6,000 pounds? Because that's the loophole. Cars under 6,000 pounds, limited deductions, maybe $20,000 max. Cars over 6,000 pounds, full write-off. So which cars qualify? G-Wagon, Range Rover, Escalade, BMW X7, all over 6,000 pounds. So you just buy it and write it off? As long as it's used for business, client meetings, site visits, business travel, whatever. Even 50% business use gets you a 50% deduction. Here's the math. You buy a $100,000 G-Wagon, write off the full amount. If you're in the 37% tax bracket, that's a $37,000 tax savings. So the car actually cost you $63,000, and it gets better. Gas, insurance, maintenance, all business expenses, all deductible. The government is literally subsidizing your luxury car. Won't the IRS question it? Not if you actually use it for business. Keep a mileage log, document your trips, track every expense. That sounds like a lot of work. It's actually simple if you have a system. I track all my business expenses in one place. Vehicle costs, mileage, everything. Already helped me catch $3,000 in write-offs I would have missed. That's what saves you during an audit. Is it legal? Yep, it's completely legal as long as you follow the rules. That's why every entrepreneur drives a Range Rover or G-Wagon. Welcome to the game, where your $100,000 car saves you $37,000 in taxes. Want the same system I use to track all this?